All right, guys, I've got a lot of questions about this Comet P40 system, so I'll just try to break down really quick how my system's set up. This is my blend manifold system. This is my water, stays open all the time. This is my bleach. When I have a valve in the back that turns it on and off. I run that wide open when I'm rinsing. This is extra in case I want to drop it in a bucket for degreaser. I don't ever use this unless I've never used it yet, but I may use it in the future for like, F9. You can put Restore, you can put any kind of degreaser in here. Sodium hydroxide like I use. This is my soap right here. So if I'm rinsing, I use this one on and this on. If I'm washing, I'll crack that anywhere between 1 and halfway, whichever, or it depends on full, depends on what I'm doing. And this is my bleach. I start with 1 and I'll dial it in wherever I need to go with it. But back here, on the back side of the tank is this right here. When this is facing this direction, it's only water. When I open it up, it has bleach that comes through. So if I'm rinsing, I just keep it shut off right here. I need to tighten this up a little bit. I need to come clean this up, but this is a working trailer. I use it all the time. So now stepping on up to here, I have the Predator 212cc motor on it. These are very affordable engines. This is the gearbox. I do have a leak right here on this little gasket. It's a crack in it somewhere. I need to replace that. This is the gear oil. Now, I need to do a separate video on this because there's a method in filling this. You don't want to just fill it up. There's a screw you take out in the bottom, and I'll have to I'm going to do some research on that and break it down correctly because I know I had a lot of questions with it at first. So I'm going to break it down the proper gear oil to use. But that's for another video and how high to fill it. There's a certain height in there. Okay, going back over here to the Comet. This is the hose that goes out over here to here, right? And I don't never put on this particular trailer. They're not hooked up to here to make them last longer. I unroll them as long as I need them. They're in sections and hook them to here, right? So that one goes to there. This is my high pressure. This is a hot water pressure water unit. This is remote downstream. This is a whole nother video. We're talking about the Softwash now. There's my surfactant tank. There's my bleach tank right here. My bleach tank, I just fill it. I have another Fat Boy pump that pumps the bleach in there. I'll just take that out and put these hoses right here and fill it, and that's my surfactant. And then when I'm done, I'll drop those hoses in the water tank and rinse them out and run them through to get all the SH out. I have a solar panel I used. I just got them to start using. I haven't used it yet to charge my battery constantly while I'm out on the job, so I don't have to worry about it. But this is a whole nother video. This is a diesel system. There's my diesel engine right there. It's a Kubota. It's a big boy out of a tractor that runs this whole unit. This has glow plugs and all that stuff. All right, as I showed you, this is the bleach shut off and shut on right here. This is where it comes into the back of the manifold. We have these hoses over here. These 3 come down through here. Now, I didn't build this. The guy I know built this. So there's my plumbing. So it's kind of a mess here. You gotta overlook that. Like I said, this is a work trailer. We use it all the day. I'm about to use it right now. But I need to clean it up and do check all my parts, make sure everything's clean, and replace the hoses that are kind of corroded. I don't really have no corrosion now, but I like to keep them, in good working order. But like I said, this, I think the guy that did this could have done a little bit better. But nonetheless, I'm going to have to fix this. But here's the hoses coming out of it, and it's kind of spaghetti down here. But as you can see, this one obviously goes down to where the hoses connect over there. These 3 go to the manifold system. This one also is for the water. So it's constantly, this one is coming down through here and feeding in here. I don't know why it's so long, and then to the back of here. That's kind of overkill right there, but nonetheless, I didn't build this. So, and then this is 2 ports to where the bleach go in. I believe this is the bleach hose right here. It goes to the top of the bleach tank right there. Water, and then they all come through the manifold system here. So sorry it's not as clean as I'd like for it to be, but I just wanted to show you guys kind of how my plumbing is set up and the system I use. So maybe I'll clean it up and do a better review of it. But yeah, just wanted to share this with you guys. I'll clean it up and I'll get everything nice and buttoned and uniform and do a review. So the person that put this together just kind of threw it. So it works, but it could be a little neater in my opinion. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and share. It does help the algorithm. I appreciate all the new subscribers on here. You guys have been really pouring in support. I appreciate it. We're a fully organic channel over here. You know, we appreciate all the real views and all the likes and things of that nature. And we hope to help as many people as we can along the way. Until next time, guys, wash on.